Hi there, my name's Dave, and this is the X10. 6 years ago, I had a full knee replacement on my right knee, and the success I had with the machine and the company was incredible. So, unfortunately, about 3 months ago, I got the bad news that my other knee needed replacing, and the only thing I said to my doctor is, how can I get the X10 back? The incredible thing about this machine is that it's like having PT in your home 3 times a day for a month. And what makes this different than the articulators that most surgeons prescribe is that I can program an angle in here, and if the pressure is too much, it won't let me go to that angle. And it's really, really incredible. The other incredible thing is that I'm assigned to a coach, a person who talks to me probably 3 to 5 times a week and gives me goals to reach and lets me know whether I'm on track or not. And they're very encouraging, and it's really been an incredible event for such a potentially traumatic surgery, but it really has been incredible. So go X10.